This is the cloud. Here multiple resources are there. Resources nothing but some application servers, some mobile apps, right? Some databases, network, storage, different components are there. Okay. Now, different developers or DevOps engineer, some other person, they want to access these resources from outside, from their desktop, let us say. From the desktop. Okay. Desktop. Okay. Or some applications we want to migrate or integrate some applications with Azure Cloud. Applications. So here users, right? Whether it is a developer, DevOps engineer, tester, different persons. Okay. So here applications, also groups, some groups also. Okay. So now here we can discuss about how to manage this access management within the Azure Cloud. Or if any other person want to access third-party person or application, you can say. If you want to integrate with the Azure Cloud, right? How to manage that. Okay. There is a concept called Active Directory. Recently, we are calling it as a Entra. Microsoft, we are calling it as Microsoft Entra ID. You see here. Okay. Recently, they changed naming convention. Previously, we are calling it as Active Directory. New name for Active Directory. You see here. Recent changes only. October 24. Right. You can use this documentation also. Previously, we are calling it as Azure AD. Now we are calling Microsoft Entra ID. Also coming to the plans, also you can see different plans are there. These are all naming convention you can see. Premium, external identities. So instead of Azure AD, now we are calling it as Microsoft Entra ID. Okay. So first let us try to understand what is Active Directory or Entra ID. Right. First let us try to understand that. Also just see here, recently they changed icons as well. See, previously we are seeing this Azure Active Directory icon. This is the new one. Okay. Next. So first let us try to understand what is Active Directory. So this is the organization. Okay. This is our organization, let us say Wipro. So here multiple users are there or multiple projects are there. They are trying to access within the Wipro, multiple application servers are there. Some HRMS, attendance tracking, different applications. Okay. Different portals are there. Whenever these persons are employees, Wipro employees, they want to log in these applications. Right? Let us say one employee first he is working from one location. After a few days, he moved to some other location. Let us say within the Wipro environment, he moved to other location. Within this credential, he should log in from anywhere within the Wipro. He should log in from anywhere from Wipro, you can say. For this, we need Active Directory database. Active Directory database. AD, we are calling it as AD. Active Directory. DB or database, you can say. By using Active Directory, we can enable centralized management, centralized user management, you can say. Okay. How it works? Just see here. This is your laptop. Within your company, this is the laptop. Let us say this is the Active Directory. First, you will enter your username and password. And before that, whenever you join organization, they will give you one username as well as password while joining, right? Password. Okay. So by using these credentials, this person is trying to log in. Let us say some Wipro. He is trying to log in the domain called Wipro, right? So he will enter username and password. Whenever you entering password, username and password, if you are working in the organization, it may take some time. So while doing that, it will give you some messages also. First, it will check the, it will try to encrypt this password, and it will send it to the Active Directory. Active Directory database maintains entire username, user credentials here. Right? Kerberos protocol is there. Kerberos we can say. By using that, it will try to store entire username and passwords. Your username and password. It will try to match whether whatever user password you enter, whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, he's able to log into the Wipro domain or any domain, whatever company it is there. If it is wrong, it will get reject message. Right? In this way, you can log in from anywhere from Wipro domain. Within the Wipro network, you can log in from anywhere. Right? Let's say currently you are logging from one location, other location also you can log in that by using Wipro domain. Or Wipro network, you can say. For this, we are using Active Directory database, we are saying. By using Active Directory database, we can enable centralized management. Okay. So here we can use two types of Active Directories. One is on-premises. Suppose if you are trying to manage your on-premises environment, data center environment, there you can set up your own Active Directory data center. Okay. You can set up your own data center. Within that, you can set up data center, Active Directory as well. So here you can set up own Active Directory. But coming to the cloud, they will offer you Active Directory as well. Azure Active Directory. Previously, we are calling it the Azure Active Directory. Now we are saying Microsoft Entra ID. Now let us try to observe this Microsoft Entra ID or Active Directory. You see here. Users. If you want to create multiple users, if you want to onboard any users, let us say we are trying to onboard some users in this organization, right? Wipro environment or some other environment. At that time, some identity access management team will be there. They will try to onboard these users. To simplify this identity and access management, they will also integrate different tools as well, like Okta. Multiple tools are there. Okay. Identity. These type of tools also they will try to integrate. If it is an enterprise environment, they will try to integrate these type of tools as well.